Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of WordPress themes. Whether you're building your first website or looking to upgrade your current one, understanding the difference between classic themes and block themes is crucial. Let's explore what each type offers and why you might want to consider using block themes for your next project. What are classic themes? Classic themes have been the backbone of WordPress sites for years. They rely on PHP for structure and functionality, using traditional methods to build and customize your site's layout with widgets, shortcodes, and custom CSS. These themes are perfect for those who love to code and want full control over every aspect of their website. Introducing block themes. Enter block themes, the new era of WordPress design. Launched alongside the full site editing capabilities in WordPress, block themes utilize the Gutenberg editor to let you edit and customize everything directly from the site editor. This means more visual editing and less coding, making it easier than ever to design your site. Why choose block themes? So, why should you consider switching to a block theme? Let's break down the benefits. Ease of use. Block themes offer a WYSIWYG experience. What you see is what you get. You can visually compose pages and posts, seeing exactly how they'll look to your visitors as you build them. Future-proof. As WordPress continues to evolve, block themes are at the forefront of this transformation. By choosing a block theme, you're ensuring that your site remains compatible with the latest features and updates. Flexibility. Customize every part of your site without touching a single line of code. From your site's header to the footer, you can tweak designs with a few clicks. Performance. Block themes are often less bloated and faster than their classic counterparts, as they're built specifically for the Gutenberg editor. Imagine redesigning your website's header or footer with just a few clicks without needing to hire a developer or learn PHP. The future of WordPress is here. The future of WordPress is block-based. By adopting a block theme now, you're not only embracing ease and efficiency, but also preparing your site for future WordPress innovations. Whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or just starting out, block themes make it easy to create a site that's both beautiful and functional. Ready to make the switch? Your future WordPress website awaits.